What's up? I'm gonna do a quick pack and opening of this locker room, well, not locker room, but elite hollow icon MLG for trade tickets. Cost 60 trade tickets, so this is the last drop of series 3. There was 3 queues, so you already had the allow list that was there yesterday, and then you had the general queue, or the priority queue, sorry, where you needed to be 75,000 collector score and 60 trade tickets. And then the general queue, pack odds, pretty good. I mean, 95% chance at a guaranteed rare, along with 4% chance at a legendary, right? Along with 4 common base set moments. Some of the new moments in here: Klay Thompson, Jimmy, Jason, De'Aaron, right? There's a lot I want to score. For me personally, I could probably use any of these players just to add to the collection, because I'm finding that I'm being more of a collector these days rather than trying to flip and different stuff like that. That's fun. So hopefully you're able to open a legendary out of this, which would be cool. I mean, the only legendary I have was Drew Holiday that I got from the last Hollow Icon drop. I wasn't able to get in the queue for the legendary finals drop a couple of weeks back. So, I mean, let's see what we get from this. I mean, you know, the 4 commons, typically I can probably guarantee you I probably have them already. And what's going to probably end up happening is tomorrow there's this locker room pack where it requires 4 trade tickets, which gives you another chance at a legendary or rare within the pack. And they actually updated it today to include some fandom and common LE moments that you can actually pull. So different odds, obviously 59, pretty much 60% chance at a common pack. You got a 30% chance of 2 series 3 and 1 series 2 base set, right? And you got a 0.066% chance at a legendary and a 1% chance at a rare. So 2 series 3 base set moments plus 1 rare. So I can guarantee you, since this Hollow Icon pack gives you 4 common base sets, I'm going to guess like 9 times out of 10 I'll probably have those, and they'll be trade tickets. So I have 2 packs of this elite pack that dropped today for 60 trade tickets. Originally I had 60, and I wasn't going to rejoin the queue, but I had an extra 56 trade tickets that I just had sort of like in my collection, just waiting to trade in, that I was actually going to use on that locker room pack. But then when I noticed I got an early numbering queue, so I could have came back around and got a next one. But I didn't have time to trade in. I wanted to go through my collection and trade in some more, so I didn't have time. So I missed the drop in the priority queue, and then I got into the general queue, and I was able to get another one. So let's open it up, see what we get. Obviously, you'd want the legendary, right? So common, 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 something good. So it's probably, and the blues are rare. So that's a rare. The white towel, pretty sure I have that. Yep. This Shake Milton, pretty sure I have that. Daniels, it's like all 60Ks. That's on the right side. And what do we got here? Dallas Mavericks, Benson. Spencer did well. Okay, whatever. We got Spencer. Not bad. So we'll go on the next pack. Open it up. My biggest gripe is, you already seen it, another rare. It ain't pink. So we got that. That's green. Reese Harkless. Hunter. It's funny, I just got shaken out to another pack. Horrible pulls. PJ Tucker. Yay. I mean, that sucks. I hate guys that don't play for getting guys that don't play for teams anymore, right? So, I mean, yeah, my trade ticket thing, as you can see, it's 0. Yeah, a PJ Tucker rare, like a crappy serial number 2, like 705, and then the Spencer 670. So nothing really good in any of these packs, in my opinion. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Right? Can't do much about it. So, we'll see what happens with tomorrow's drop. I may or may not. I mean, 4 trade tickets. Probably just keep trading down to this 59%, 60% chance. Even that, right? 1% chance at a rare. Right? And 6. Yep. Yeah, I really wanted this Klay Thompson, actually, from that thing. I mean, for instance, like, I would have liked the Klay Thompson. If we're going with the rares, the Klay Thompson, the Tatum. I think Lillard was in here too. Yeah. Any of those guys would have been good. Yeah, my top 3 was Klay Thompson, Lillard, Tatum would have been good. What else is in here? Booker would have been good. Cade would have been good. Yeah. I mean, Brunson doesn't play for them anymore, so it's like he's on New York. Grant is in Portland. Brogdon's in Boston. PJ went to Philly. Lily Barnes healed. Tatum, Lillard, Collins, Obi, Al Horford, Pirtle, Spencer, Clay, Vassell. Yeah, so not too happy about it, but it is what it is, right? That's how it goes. Thanks for joining, everyone. Peace.